2 weeks after fighting broke out between Azerbaijani and Armenian forces in Nagorno-Karabakh, the Red Cross is appealing for calm. The clashes have been so intense that a humanitarian truce to hand over the bodies of those killed, clinched over the weekend, has been too difficult to implement for now.
We are in continuous discussions with them, passing proposals back and forth. Operational and logistical agreements need to be agreed and in place, and the safety of our teams guaranteed for such an operation to take place.
The flare-up in violence in Nagorno-Karabakh has impacted hundreds of thousands of people, with homes, businesses and once busy streets reduced to rubble.
There is upheaval, loss and fear in communities on both sides of the line of contact. It is our hope that the humanitarian ceasefire agreement will be abided by and that it will translate into meaningful relief for those affected.
Russia has called on both sides to respect the ceasefire agreed to in Moscow on Saturday after 11 hours of talks.